gym vlog, July 22nd, 2019. On my journey to 225 for reps. I'm going to try 195 for 5. My last gym session I did 190 for 5. So let me go ahead and go for 195 for 5 reps. Sloppy, but I got it. Still got it. That was sloppy, but I got it. 195 for 5. So the next step is 200 for 5. All right, Brooke's going for her personal best, 70 right now. This gym doesn't have 2.5, so I brought my own so she could get this. Hey, 5 pounds is a big difference, so we got the half increment. Go for it, honey. I got you. Take your time. All right, it should be centered, yeah. So, you want me to lift off, or you're gonna lift it off? I'll lift it off, honey. Just count 3. Tell me when.
1, 2, 3.
You got it, honey.
Oh, man.
Almost. 3/4 up. Nice try.
I know.
Yeah, 3/4 up. All right, Brooke was really close to 70, 3/4 of the way up. But she got the regular bench she got her 45 for 23 reps, and then she got 65 for 3 reps. So she's really close to 70. She's done inclines before, so now I'm going to get her to try overhead presses. If she could get the bar, which is 45 pounds for 2 or 3, that's really good. So we'll just increase her power doing different variations of presses. All right, I'm going to help her out on this one. Count to 3 when you're ready.
Ready?
Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Good job. 1. Good job, honey. 2. Nice. Look, they're flying. They're flying up. 3. How many could you get?
4.
1 more?
Yeah.
1 more?
5.
Good job. Nice. All right, you graduated. All right. Good job. 5. I was expecting 2 or 3. Good job, honey. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Good job, honey. 4. 1 more. 5. You're gonna go for another one? Nice.
6.
Good job. Nice. Alright, today was a milestone day for Brooke. She got into weightlifting with me, and then I taught her how to use the Smith machine so she could get stronger. Smith machine is basically training wheels until you graduate to the real bar. So go ahead and show them how you do it, honey. So with the Smith, it's on a rail. It's on a track. So you just turn it to unhook it, just like that. And then the starting resistance is 20 pounds. So you could just learn to lift like this. And then if you fail, go ahead. Fail, honey. So if you fail, it catches you, so you can't get hurt. So go ahead. And then to rack it, just turn it just like that. So the starting resistance on this is 20 pounds. So the way she got stronger is she put weights every single time till she got stronger. Now she's pressing the real 45s, which I wanted her to graduate to, which she did today.